Hello everyone, welcome to this new video of Slidescope. In this video, we are discussing about NiceGUI or NiceGUI that can become your favorite Python UI library. Now, this is the official website of NiceGUI, and here you can see with the help of NiceGUI, you can interact with Python through your buttons, dialogues, 3D scenes, plots, and much more. And here is the instructions and all, which I will just show you. You can also see some demos here, and everything is given here, you can see. So this type of interactive GUI will be there for Python, and as they claim, let any browser be the front end of your Python code. So first we are using here Google Colab, and we'll connect with Google Colab over here and install this library. So now we are connected with a runtime, and let's install NiceGUI high chart. As you can see, installation has already started. Now after installing NiceGUI or NiceGUI, we will import UI from NiceGUI and random to generate some random data. So after importing these required libraries, with the help of documentation from NiceGUI, we will create a high chart. So you have to use UI, and then in UI there is a method called high chart where you have to provide a dictionary. So in the dictionary you provide title of the chart, then what is the chart type. So chart types value is also given in a dictionary. On x-axis, what you want to put, so on x-axis we are putting categories A and B. Again, if you have some real data, so obviously you can put those type of categories here. For example, suppose you have segment wise sales, so you can put the name of segments over here, and such things can be done. And then in the series, like the data on the y-axis, name is alpha, and there is some random data called point 0.1 and point 0.2, and then name is beta, and data is point 0.3 and point 0.4. So this can be profit and sales, right? For the two categories that we have selected, or for the two segments that we have selected, this can be profit and sales. So this is what we are discussing particularly, and now let's run this and see. You can see we have used dot classes over here. W full, width full, height 64, something like that. Now since we want to create an interactive UI over here, so you can see we are creating an update function over here, and in chart options, the series that we have created, and we are selecting the series list because it's a list over here. So we are selecting the first element. In the first element we are selecting data and data key, and in data key we are selecting the first value and giving it a random number. Here we have put 0.1, but we are giving it a random number, and then we will update the chart. Now we will create a button which will update this. So here we just have created the update button. Now UI.button update, on click update, UI.run. UI.run. So you can see there we are getting a warning that NiceGUI disabling auto reloading because it's only supported when running from a file. So what we have done here is we have created a folder, and in the folder we have pasted the entire code. Using CMD we have installed the necessary library here. So instead of doing it in Colab, we are just doing it inside a file. I have named the file as main.py. You can name it anything. And now when you will run this code, you will see a slider bar over here. It will be a bar with a button, and on that button you can update the data and it will get some random value. Let's see. So double click it. As you can see in your browser, now you have this. So you can see it is running on this server, localhost, and you can see the data, right? And if you will click on the update button, you can see some random value. So this is just the introduction of NiceGUI. You can do a lot more with it. So we have some example over here. Like suppose you want to create a chart which is solid gauge, right? And then you can create it like this. So all this documentation about high chart is given here, which I will provide a link to it. You can see, so it will be very simple. Just copy this file. Obviously you have to understand the code what you are doing, and later you have to replace this data with you know data frames value and all, which we will do in our upcoming chapters. So please subscribe to our channel so that when we'll upload a video related to NiceGUI, you will get some updates.